Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well. In today's video, I'm going to show you a really easy way to make a texture seamless for SketchUp with the help of AI. So if you've ever downloaded a texture or maybe extracted one from a model and then later noticed that it doesn't repeat properly, this video is going to help you a lot. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, if you already have the texture applied inside SketchUp, just click on the texture, go to Edit Texture Image, and it will open in your default photo viewer. From there, you can simply save it as a JPG or PNG anywhere on your computer. Now after that, this is the part where we fix the texture. A lot of times the image looks okay by itself, but once it starts repeating on a wall, the joints become visible and the texture starts looking fake. So what I'm doing here is uploading that image into AI and giving it a simple prompt to make it into a seamless square tile while keeping the same pattern and style. Then we just give it a few seconds to process. Alright, now it's ready. I'm going to download the seamless version and drag it straight back into SketchUp. Then I can apply it as a new material, and now you can see the difference. The texture repeats much more smoothly, and the overall result looks a lot cleaner and more realistic. So yeah, that's a very simple way to make your SketchUp textures look better using AI. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.